Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Rogue Tick Detector indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is able to detect price anomalies and irregularities that may occur in the tick data, such as unexpected changes or unusual patterns. It will then mark these anomalies for us directly on the chart, making them easy to identify. The indicator can also issue alerts to notify us whenever such irregularities are found, and it saves these detected anomalies in a file so that we can conveniently review and use them for further analysis or reference at a later time. Let's go through the settings.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
Of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is for alerts. If it is set to true, whenever there is a price anomaly, it will issue an alert for us. The next option is for email alerts. If this is set to true, alerts will also be sent to our mailbox. The following option is for logging to a file. If it is true, it will save logs of these anomalies in a file for us, and we can use that file later. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comment section to help improve the indicators.